Gaming headsets are fast becoming the most crucial accessory for gamers, and a high-quality headset can make all the difference in getting the best possible immersive experience. Now, there are plenty of options out there that will comfortably tick all the boxes in terms of performance and features. And one of those is the AW920H gaming headset from Alienware. Alienware has invested heavily in sound quality with the AW920H, and a key part of that is the integration of Dolby Atmos Virtual Surround. Now, that level of audio technology delivers crystal clear audio by using Dolby's three-dimensional pinpoint precision. And that's all about giving gamers the ability to react quickly and accurately to things that are happening off the screen, even in some of the most chaotic gaming scenarios. Having good quality active noise cancelling is a must in any headset now, and the AI-driven noise cancelling microphones do all the hard work filtering out the ambient noise and helping to improve your comms in chat, or because this is a go anywhere style headset, you'll also get those same noise cancelling features on phone calls, listening to music, while you're up and about. Keep in mind that you can either use the included detachable boom mic, or if you are using this headset on the go, there are built-in internal mics as well. And what good is it having all that fancy technology if you don't have the hardware to back it up? Everything is driven by 40mm high-res certified drivers that allow for a wide range of frequencies to make sure you get that nice, rich, clear and immersive audio, capturing all the important auditory in-game details. Now, one thing that often gets overlooked when connecting a new headset to a PC is making sure that it is configured correctly. And let's be honest, if you are paying decent money for a performance headset, you might as well go that extra step and make sure it is dialed in nicely and performing to its best capabilities. Thankfully, in Windows 11, this is super easy and really quick to do. From the Start menu, navigate to the Settings app, then from the panel on the left, select the System tab, then open the Sound menu. Here you will find a list of output devices that are currently connected to your PC. Then simply select the device you want to set up. Now from here, you can configure and customize some of your headphone settings. The first thing I like to do is rename my device to something comical. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see a few different settings that you can adjust, like the quality format, the main volume, or if you prefer, you can adjust the volume for the left and right channels separately. You can also configure various audio enhancements like spatial audio experiences if they are applicable to your headset. So as you can see, it's not a difficult task to carry out, but it could make a noticeable difference to your overall experience. Once the headset is fully charged, you'll get up to 55 hours of gameplay. Now, if you're a person like me who only games a few hours a day at most, well, that's a fairly long time in between charges, and more than enough to keep me going before I even have to think about charging it up again. Well, let's say you've gotten to the end of the battery life and I need to get into a game pretty quickly. Thanks to Fast Charge, I can get up to 6 hours of gameplay off just 15 minutes of charging with the included USB-C cable. Well, that's pretty good. A phrase that is commonly associated with peripherals like this here is the term tri-mode connectivity. Now, this means that you can connect to devices like your PC using the USB-C wireless dongle, or if you're connecting to other devices like your phone or a gaming console, you also have the option to use Bluetooth 5.2 or the 3.5mm jack. So that's 3 different ways of connecting to your devices. The memory foam ear cups take the strain off your ears if you do need to use the headset for an extended period. And the slim, firm-fitting headband gives you a decent level of comfort while you're still being secure. And that's always the hardest balance to find, right? Something that feels secure and stable on your head, but not something that feels like it's compressing into your brain. Which, if I'm being honest, is pretty hard for me to find because I have an abnormally large head. Alien FX lighting is present yet again, and if you have seen my videos on Alienware stuff in the past, you will know that this can be configured and customized from within the Alienware command center. Touch controls are a highlight feature on the AW920H, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use them to get the most out of this headset right now. On the right ear cup, you can utilize both tap and swipe functions to operate the headset. Swipe up to increase the volume, and swipe down to lower the volume. Swipe forward to skip ahead, or swipe back to skip backwards. Double tap the ear cup to answer or end phone calls, and if you triple tap, that will toggle on or off the Alien headlighting. And if you tap and hold for 3 seconds, it will allow you to switch between either ANC or transparency mode. One thing you will notice right away is how deceptively light this headset actually is. It's less than 300 grams, which is a massive relief for someone like me, as I mentioned earlier, big head. Heavy restrictive headsets just don't play nice. And like I said from the jump, this headset ticks a lot of boxes, and not just for gamers, but for anyone who wants a do-it-all, go-anywhere style headset. For compatibility, you can use it with all your devices, PC, console, iOS, and Android. There's good quality active noise cancelling, crazy good battery life with fast charge capability, plenty of options for connectivity in both wireless and wired, Alien FX lighting, high-res certified drivers, and the choice between 2 different colorways in Lunar Light and Dark Side of the Moon. In a world where there are plenty of options to choose from when looking for a top-tier headset, the AW920H is definitely one to be considered.